Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the monthly chart of InSuites Hospitality Trust. Now, if you are looking at the current price action, you will see lots of volatility, but if you observe the levels carefully, what you get to know is how the stock is moving and where it is actually taking support and what it is currently doing right now. So let me show it to you. And if you are using a line chart, you will get a clear idea because there are lots of movements of volatility. Everything will be captured in candlestick. So now you have two levels here. Okay, you can see you have clearly have two levels over here, which is 3.43 as your immediate support and 2.999 as your stop loss. Okay, so this is the first thing which you need to know. Now what you can see here is the previous level. This is just for the sake of information. So the previous level, because the stock is holding above 3.43, so technically this is a breakout and the stock is sustaining after the breakout. And let me tell you one thing, that the stock is holding, because this is a monthly chart, so one candle represents a month, so the stock has been holding above 3.43 for the last 2 or 3 months. So this is a very good consolidation. So this is a very good consolidation that's been going on over here. So you have 0.68 and 0.97 on the downside, and the previous trend high was in between 2.9 and 3.43. Stock went up, falls down, but trading and maintaining its support comfortably above 3.43. So 3.43 and 2.99 will be a point of reference, and one should not go below 2.99. And if the stock continues to sustain above 3.43, which it is right now, then the levels that we are going to look at will definitely be on the upside. Now what we can see as far as the trends are concerned is something like this, or something like these. Now there are three primary targets to look at. The first target here will be 5.59. okay, and the second target is the set, which will be in between 7 and 7.6. so these are the first two primary targets. Beyond 7.6 we again have your next target. So I'm explaining whatsoever levels you can find as your immediate support or important levels. I'm explaining each and everything. So beyond 7.6 you have $9, then you have 11.53, and the recent high that the stock has made is about 14.9, I think. Yes, 14.9 or $15. But this is not the story which is going to end at $15, because this time, and the way the stock holds, obviously this is going to take some time as far as the consolidation goes on, and because it's long term chart. But anyhow, this is not the story at this is 14.9. This is not the story which will end at 14.9, because the way this looks like, we have a range which will extend up to 18.2, and further we have 19.3. so these all levels are available for you if you can hold this stock for longer term. And there is a clear indication that, so in terms of percentage, as you can see, the stock went up quite sharply, and in a span of one year, nearly 1 year, 1 year and 4 or 5 months, 1.5 year, it went up to 2000%. So if it is correcting by 30, 40 or 50%, it does not matter much, because the stock moved quite sharply, and even after correction the stock is holding above its breakout level, so it is respecting the levels. So once the consolidation is over, and if the stock continues to sustain above 3.43, You have all the levels starting from 5.59 till 18 or $19 will be available for you in the longer term. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.